Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 29 April 2018, 21 of hour, 42 of minute and 12 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, do helicopters have a black box? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about do helicopters have a black box. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about do helicopters have a black box. Airbus helicopters to make black boxes standard. While flight data recorders are already standard equipment in the company's large and medium helicopters, they are not mandatory on light single and light twin-engine helicopters. Last update February 26, 2014. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.